That thing was a lot wider than I expected. What the I'm taking the train to Haputale, which is a 23-kilometer ride and back, just to experience what it's like to be on a train here. I heard great things, so let's go. Wow, this train is cramped. Jesus Christ, I'll try to let everybody else in first so I can hang out at the door. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this spot for a little bit. This is my little waterfall station. Now that I have all the Instagram shots in, I can relax, sitting on the floor. It's a bit ridiculous, I gotta say though.
If I stay or if I drive, this moment is my home. And if I ever hold on, it's pain that I choose. I can stay and I still run, I win but still lose.
We are here. Normally people get out first, but whatever. Alright. I am in the beautiful town of Haputale train station. About to just take the train back to Ella. Train leaves like in half an hour. Maybe I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack while I'm here. So the ticket here in second class cost me about 40 cents. It took 1 hour to get here, and the return ticket, where there are only third class tickets available, costs me, oh, that's so little, 15 cents. Leaving Haputale towards Ella again. Bye, doggy.
Follow so much pain, we feel so hollow. It's the heart we have to follow. We're not alone. In west we run for all that is worth, chasing down the sun, ignoring our earth. And if I try to hide under a blanket of time, then my heart weighs a ton. The sun will never shine. All the love that I will chase down, head up high, I'm standing face down, finding peace in empty space now. We're not alone.
Train life. Sri Lanka train, third class. Cool. Come here. Hi.
Hi.
Rock. Ya, grabando, ¿no?